Welcome back. This channel is dedicated to promoting and highlighting timeless creations crafted from various mediums such as stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, and glass. These materials have been used to create some of the most remarkable and enduring pieces of art and technology. From intricate designs to innovative solutions, we explore the beauty and functionality of these creations. I am excited to share with you all my favorite grinder, the Aroma-3. I will do my best to keep the information as factual as possible. The Aroma-3 by Old Mate Designs is a top-tier product manufactured in Australia. From grinder to fidget spinner, this grinder serves multiple functions. Out of 5 being the best and 1 being the worst, I judge the grinder in these categories: magnets and/or threading, design, function, innovation, quality, maintenance, and cost. The grinder scored the following: threads and/or magnets. 5. The magnet is capable of holding the grinder's weight. The threadless design offers effortless access to each chamber. Design. 5. The Aroma-3 design is superb. The bearing is replaceable, there are no threads or coatings, and best of all, no metal-on-metal rubbing. Function. 5. At full load, this grinder performs amazing. Innovation. 5. The Aroma-3 is unique in the fact it houses a bearing at the center of the top plate. The bearing allows for minimal metal-on-metal contact. Within the grind chamber, the only place where metal-on-metal contact occurs is within the bearing housing. The bearing is completely sealed. Quality. 5. The materials used are high quality, the attention to detail is evident. Not only is it a grinder, but a piece of art. Maintenance. 5. Very easy to clean. The bearing is replaceable if needed. Cost. 5. The grinder costs about $125 retail. This is an expensive grinder, no doubt. Though it is expensive, I believe it is worth it 100%. Score. 5. Impeccable. A few specs include: weight, 488 grams. Diameter, 63 millimeters. Height, 43 millimeters. Thank you for watching. Please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to this channel. Until next time.